That was an awfully big tree. That's right. No, not alive anymore. Guys, it's Jax. We're at Rocketship Park. We got Charlotte, Bella, and Abby. Right, that's what's going to happen at our tree. Our tree isn't quite as far along as this one this spring. Cool. No, the water park's not open, babe. It's still too cold. It's going to be warm today. It's going to feel like a summer day. But it's only June, and it's not summer yet here. It's only spring. We all carry our own backpacks. Those are all big girls. Together again. Bella's just changing her footwear, taking her socks off, putting her water shoes on. We're gonna go down the beach that way. See if we can find a spot away from people. They change the plans. The people over here left. This shall be our spot for the day. Nice shady tree, some logs to lean against, right up on the beach. More glass? You are a green glass find. I found one right over here too, by our log. I just saw it a minute ago. Where did it go? It's here somewhere.
What color is it?
It's green.
What is it?
It's a little piece of green glass, and it's right around there somewhere. Approaches. We're gonna have cold, picky lunch today. Here we have Kool-Aid jammers, cheese and crackers. What else did we bring? We brought hummus, pepperettes, seaweed, roasted seaweed, a loaf of bread, and we might make some mussels. And then we'll see how it goes. I think I'm the only one that really wants to eat the mussels, but we got enough. Good, you like it? Toasted seaweed. It's delicious, isn't it? Tastes kind of nutty.
After this, I'm gonna have my seaweed.
After that, you're gonna have your seaweed? Okay.
I love seaweed.
Change your mind, Charlotte? No. You could. No, you don't like it? Abby's turn. No? Wow.
It's spicy.
Spicy?
I said it's spicy.
Spicy? What are you talking about?
I said it tastes like
Roasted seaweed snack. It is not. Oh, yeah, it has sriracha. All right, more for me. It is a beautiful summer day today. It's supposed to be going up to like 25 or 26 degrees Celsius. There's a nice breeze coming off that lake, and it is really, really welcome because it is steamy. Have fun? Yep.
that was yummy.
That was yummy. You want some more? All right, dig in. See what's left in your pack. The girls carried their own lunches today. I am the keeper of the treasure. Yep, that's a good idea. More sunscreen. Bunch of champions. More sunscreen. Roasted garlic hummus, sriracha toasted roasted seaweed, and country cornbread. Yum. What? What? Yep, you're gonna have lots of boo-boos, babe. Yeah, I see that, babe. You gonna come sit down for a bit?
Yeah.
You wanna have some snacks?
Yeah.
Not right on my bag. Oh, little crotch. It'll be all right. Good one. L. A, S, S. One more S. That's how you spell glass. You're finding lots of sea glass today, aren't you? Good job, Miss Bella.
I'm gonna write. I fell in the water! I see you. What? That's nice. Mommy, look how big this splash is.
Whoa. Flattest rock in the world. Cool, you're gonna try to skip it? Ooh, that is a good flat stone. You're gonna try to skip it? Do it close to the water. Okay, practicing a little shelter building. My big woods tarp. It grows a little bit of shade. Children are multiplying. They're playing happily. I'm practicing. Hanging my tarp. Hitched it up on top of that branch there, which is not the best plan. I'm gonna put a hole in it if it's windier. Simple little lashings on driftwood. A little driftwood tripod back here to hold that corner up. There's a random piece of driftwood that I moved over here. Just paracord tied along there with some slip knots, and then it's hitched around that little piece on the top there. And then I made a toggle up over the branch to pull the middle out to give them some more usable space underneath. It's the first time I put up this tarp, but I really like it. I'm not sure how big it is. I'll put the specs in the link below. It's from Woods, Canada. Bought at good old Canadian Tire. It's a Christmas present for my family. I think I like it. I like it a lot, actually. It's about twice the size of my little blue one. My bathroom emergency trowel is being put to good use. They found a nice big rock down there they're trying to dig out. I have arthritis. The only places I have arthritis is in my feet. And this cold water feels so good on them today. There he goes. He's resting in the rocks. He's resting in the rocks right over there. Yep, he's camouflaged. Get closer. This camera used to be underwater, but not anymore. It's broken now. Oh, he swam away. Yeah, he swam away.
This is how it works. Look at it. It's like a rock. I found an amazing cool rock.
Show me. Cool, half black, half pink. Look how deep it is. Wow. Bathing suits next time. We'll bring our bathing suits next time. We're all packed up. Everybody's got everything. Does everybody have their shoes?
Yeah.
Bella, do you have all 3 pairs of shoes that you brought to the beach today?
Huh?
Yeah?
I got my flip-flops on.
Flip-flops on? You got your running shoes and you got your water shoes, right?
I want to put my socks on.
Okay, go right ahead. You got flip-flops and Crocs? You got Crocs? Did you bring anything else or just your Crocs?
Crocs.
Just Crocs? All right. It's like we were never here, right? Did you have fun? Yeah? Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And peace out.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Do it. Show me how to do it. I do it very bad. Peace out. All right. We need Ben here too.